Hi guys, welcome back to the Tech Gaming Lane channel. I'm playing a new game for the channel today called IT Specialist Simulator. I'd like to thank the publisher and keymailer for giving me a key to this game. It comes out November 20th. I've been told that I've heard, no, I haven't been told, but I've heard that this game is bit difficult, a very, very difficult game indeed. So that's what I've been told anyway. This game is very, very difficult. I'm going to go for the easy bit first. And I'm going to go with the beanie looking dude, Tech. Oh no. This, yeah, as I said, this game apparently is quite difficult. Apparently. Minimum of 6 characters. Okay then. Tech Lane is what I'll go for. Or I'll put teach. That should be enough, I think. No, Tech Lane, yeah, or Tech 1, 2, 3, 4 Lane. Tech Ally, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, that's enough. Tech Ally, I'll put. Yeah, I was told, well, not, as I keep on saying I was told, no, I've heard that this game is very, very difficult. So, we might have a bit of an issue here, guys. If I can't figure it out, but I should be able to figure it out because I'm quite IT savvy, so I should be able to figure it out. Look around, okay, I'm looking left, right, left. WASD to walk around, yep. Crouch by the control, yep. Got that. Stand up by pressing control, yep. Look at the monitor and I can sit down apparently. So press E to sit down. So gotta go to the press go to the seat I'm thinking. I can look at the monitor and sit down. So yep. Done that. Look, left and right, left, right, right. And open the run application by control and R. Right, control R. Yep, got it. This is pretty nice, self-explanatory, really. If I know a lot of people are having trouble with this, like Rusty Champagne. I was watching the live stream of Rusty Champagne last night. He had trouble with this. He definitely was having trouble with this last night. I mean, I suppose if you're not computer savvy, I mean, you know, you're going to have trouble with it, yeah, so. Go to the change network card and change it to, go to properties, open Ethernet properties by right clicking it or double clicking it. Go to the properties of the TCP/IPv4. Right, so we want to go to Ethernet and we're going to go to IPv properties. We want to change it to 192.168.10. 192.168.10 and so 10 there, I'm thinking, and just leave the 70 there. We didn't say change. Set the gateway to 192.168.10.1. Gateway to 192.168.10.1. 10.1 and subnet to 255.255.255.255.0 or enable 255 255 2550. 255 255 2550. Yeah, as I was saying, yeah, Rusty Champagne did have trouble playing this on the live stream last night. I was watching him. I was definitely watching him struggle. Or enable X in addressing means any number in the range 3 to 5. Remember that the default gateway ends with 1, so make sure to use a different number. So, yeah, I might have a little trouble with this more by the looks of things. 255 2550, I've done that. Oh, so that's going to end in, no, not that. That's going to end in 3 or something then, isn't it? I think. Because that, and I just go like, I've done it. Oh, yes, I can. Search the web. So now, search the web. So, this mouse is going to be a problem. So, search the web, go to the web, go to job.com. Obviously, search for offers because that's all we can do. Search the web for the job offer that interests you. So, market analyst, what am I good at? I'm going to go for where? I am quite good at IT, but can I go for a cleaner? I'll start off with the basics. Start off with a cleaner first. You know what I mean? So start application. Close the browser. Okie dokie. Close the browser. Play the game Voltic Craft or whatever it is. So I presume this is a take on Minecraft. This I'm thinking. So I don't know what the buttons are. I'm thinking this is a take on Minecraft. The computer isn't the only thing you can interact with. Go to the living room and sit on the couch to look at the TV. So how do we get up? Press E again, yeah, press E. Go to the living room. This is where the living room is. It's got to be this way because we can't interact with anything else. So living room, TV. So presumably this way. Yep. Watch TV. Okay, we'll watch TV. Turn on TV by pressing P. What do you want me to do? Change the channel. Let's change the channel. 1, 2. Oh, I like the fact though that the developer has put his own YouTube channel in there. I do like that. Check the website. Check the website again. So I gotta go in my bedroom again and check the website. Sorry about me not doing it the right way, guys, but I gotta go and check the website again. So we gotta go to the computer. I don't know why we got 3 monitors on the third when they're not working. You know what I mean? So Gotta go exit this and go to jobber.com again. Search offers IT category. IT category. Junior IT service. So we can't do anything else apart from having this offer. I offered to be a cleaner. But we can't have anything else apart from offering. I suppose that's the way, really, because this is an IT specialist game, so you can't really go for a cleaner, can you? When you're in an IT specialist game, you can't really get a specialist game. You can't really go to a cleaner. Go for a cleaning job, can you? Your first job in IT, this can be a great experience, or maybe not. We'll see. Enter. We'll enter the warehouse. I'm thinking. You can't work until 9. You can't leave work until 9:40. Does it say where I have to go? We got a map. Got my tablet. Got my backpack. Yeah, where do I have to go? I'm presuming down here somewhere. Press enter. Press enter. What was going to do? Press enter the map. Yes, done that. This is the building plan and your map. Thanks to it, you'll definitely be able to track down all the failures. Each device is marked in green. When you hover over it with the mouse, you'll see the information about the device. For computers, you'll also see who owns that computer. Check a device. Alright, then we'll check that. That's the printer. Move the map. Right, we'll move the map. Find the locker room on the map. It's located in the storage area. Storage area. Is this a storage area? Further rack. Locker room. Right. Turn off the map and go to the locker room. So, where are we? Does it say where we are? We're there. So we need to go down this there and go into that door there. Right. So turn off the map. Presume and open that door. Presume this is I'm thinking. Might not be, but I'm assuming it is. So is this us? Let's go to the map and find out. No, we want to go to the locker room, which the locker room is... Where are we? We're here. We're in the IT room. So the locker room is up there. So I've missed it somewhere online. I know. You'd be in the utility room. It must be, mustn't it? I'll be wrong, but go in here and see what happens. No, yeah, that's the problem with me now. Is the locker room is We've done that. We gotta go in the warehouse. It's in the warehouse. In the warehouse, and there's one door in the warehouse. So it's definitely in the warehouse, and there's one door on the left. On the left, this one here is the locker room. We're in the locker room, and I presume that my locker is the one that's light coloured. I'm thinking. Could be wrong, but that's what my locker. I'm thinking that's what my locker is. The one that's light coloured. Is this one? I presume, but he's open the door. This is your locker. You can open it using the interactive key and check what's inside. So let's check what's inside. What we got? Oh, cabinet. Hardly anything inside. I didn't read that. I should have read that, but I didn't read it, did I? Close the locker. I then press E. So I then press E. So I then close the locker by pressing E. Alright, head to the IT room. You need to configure a few things before your first tasks. So I'll take this with me just in case, because you never know. Things you said configure, you never know what you're gonna need. IT room is where? IT room is this room here. So down the corridor, get out of the warehouse, down the corridor, and it's on your right. So get out of there, down the corridor on your right. So it should say IT room somewhere along, shouldn't it? Utility room, IT room must be that one there that'll just come from. HR, IT, there you go. So yeah, I'm in here now. This is your office. You're in charge here, but only on the second shift. Your senior colleagues takes the morning shift, since that's when most of the failures happen, and he has the experience. While you're just a rookie. I'm a rookie, am I? Let's start with configuring the network on your tablet. Press T for tablet. Okey-doke. Go to the Wi-Fi. Go to the Wi-Fi tab. Wi-Fi tab. I'm thinking the Wi-Fi tab is here. Select the Wi-Fi. Right, it's only going to be that, and so set the EAP mode to PIP or PEEP, whatever it's called. Set the second authority method to MSCHAPV2. First one, and set the identity user and the password to quirky123. So user, and is it case sensitive on the password, which I'm thinking it is. So QWERTY123. Right. Open the advanced options and enter the PAC address. So go advanced options. Enter the PAC address HTTP two dots slash slash STORT have a Spotify store. No, not that kind of store. AGE dot WK WIKI dot LAN. Sorry if I'm talking out loud here, guys, but that's what I tend to do when I'm doing things like this, because I can actually figure it out when I'm talking out loud. So usually other people, when they're doing things like this, they're very quiet, but for me, when I'm doing things like this, I can actually figure it out when I'm actually doing things like this. Is that right? LAN, yeah, that's right. Open the advanced tab. Something's not wrong here. Yeah, this is gonna be a long video, guys. So try that again. So HTTP two dots // STORAGE dot wiki dot LAN / WPAD dot that. Well, basically, yeah. And then click connect. Yes. We need to do some release. Press T again. Open the advanced options, which I did. Oh, put my frigging name. I didn't want to put my name. Or my last name, at least. Take that out. That should work now, unless... Close tablet. What have I done wrong, man? I tell you, Rusty Champagne was right. This is difficult. Well, to connect to network. Why is that? I can't go back a few steps here to find out what I've done. I think I've done everything else right though. Or is it backslash on that one instead of /? I know I'm computer savvy, but this is beyond a joke, man. I know I'm computer savvy. It's actually telling me what to do. I've done it, but it's not working. So when I go, user quirky 1 2 3 bunny. So user. That's how you spell user, isn't it? I think the password's right. STORAGEOS. That's where we went wrong. An S. The secure one. That's where we went wrong. Will it work now? Should do. It'll work now. Should work. T to close tablet. Or T to close tablet. Nope. Wrong again. So cancel. We actually connect to it now. No, we can't connect to it. Fast connect. 70 peep. That one. Password's definitely right. User. Or is it the one I've just come up with? Techline. Could be. HTTPS storagewiki.lan // now, but because I've forgot to get rid of the back thingy slash, just / I forgot to get rid of put the / in instead of the backslash. So / so try to connect now. Yes, we're connected now. To close any app on your tablet, you need to press the bottom button located near the very bottom. So, this button here? Yep. So alright, so we need to press enter now. You now have access to the network. That's already a big plus. Go to your computer. You'll find it at the end of the IT room, right by the window. Then sit down at the computer using the E function. E. So press T to close the tablet. It's over here. That's me, Pooter. And I've got a banana and some thingy sandwich there, which is quite nice. So press P to turn on the computer. So we got to press login now. It does the password and that for you, which is good. Just log in. Your computer isn't just a regular workstation like the others. It always serves as a server. If it's turned off, some parts of the company's systems automatically stop working. Okie doke. This is your little command center. Here you can manage the entire company. Open the browser and go to Wiki Storage. Open the browser and go to Wiki Storage. Open the browser. Where's the browser? Not very it's not very self-explanatory. Right. This is your little command center. Here you can manage the entire company. Open the browser and go to Wiki Services. Where's the browser? Right. Oh, you got to click on and go to Wiki Services. There we go. Wiki Services. As you can see, that the page cannot be found. This is because the headquarters is in Germany, and you're trying to access them directly. To reach that page, you need to enable the VPN, which is the VPN is the one I just brought up. So I'm thinking we get out of this, click on that, and I'm thinking this is a VPN because it says VPN. So connect to the VPN. And then we can open that and we can open that, I'm thinking. Could be wrong. But to use the tablet, to use the tablet, you must step away from the computer using the E key function. E key function. Press T to turn on the tablet. T to turn on the tablet. Open the Authority app. Oh, it's Authority app. Authority app. Thanks to two-step verification, we increase both the company's security and the protection of our personal data. Enter the number displayed in the computer application. It was 11, wasn't it? I'm thinking. So 11. That's what it was, I think. So 524 for 524 452. So we've got to go back to the computer application, enter the number displayed in the computer application and confirm the login. So T, go back to the computer. So I think confirm the login, we go connect, confirm the login, which was, tell me in a second, should do, 88. Gotta go 8. Gotta go 88. And that should allow a thing. As you may have noticed, the tablet works with some delay. Unfortunately, the nearest access point is in the hallway. The further you are from the access point, the worse the network works on the mobile devices. Quite explanatory there. Press E to go back to the computer. E. Press T first, then go back to the computer. Right. Great, you're now connected to the VPN. You can now close the application. It will keep running in the background. Reopen the browser and go to the wiki storage. Close the application. Open the browser and go to the wiki storage. We've got here. There you go. It works. You can now have access to data from the entire company, which has several branches in different countries. Check the productivity, the first one. So let's check the first one. As you can see, there's a list of files to download here. They are most whatever that word says, I can't pronounce it. That will make your work easier and expand your knowledge. Download any file, any file. Password and organisation. There you go. Great, you downloaded the file. Go to downloads. Go to the downloads, the file in the file extension, File Explorer to find it. So we're going to go to File Explorer. So click on the File Explorer. Oh, this is File Explorer. Sorry. File Explorer. Go to Downloads to find the password and organisation. As you notice, the file has a strange icon. This is because the computer doesn't have an application that can open PDF files. left click on the download file and open with Notepad. That's the only thing we got there. So open. You can open the file while in Notepad, but it would be better to look for an application in the store. Click the blue text to go to the store. Yeah, I did wrong. Over the head, we want to go left click and go to the blue, and we want to go to PDF reader. That's the only one. If you find an application to open PDF files, you can do the same with any file that has a strange icon. Of course, in the store you can also search for other applications or games. Yeah, I'm gonna install this. Then I think we'll call it a day on this one. I think. And mind you, it might be finished in a bit. We don't really know. Might be finished in a bit, guys. The tutorial anyway. The tutorial was very lengthy. Put it that way. It is very lengthy indeed. Especially when you messed up in the beginning. When you messed up in the beginning on trying to connect your tablet, I'm really messed up then. The application has been installed. You can also create a shortcut on the desktop using the buttons in the app store. Create a desktop shortcut. So, create a desktop shortcut. Go to the downloads folder and open the download PDF file again. So, download file, open it. So, see, it's not compiled, basically gobbledygook anymore. You can gain a lot of knowledge using the forum help or directly from the internal production on the Wife Wiki. Basically, in presenter. Basically now. Open the mail. So basically, you see, I've got to just run with it now. Basically, I'm thinking. Basically for my first task. But I'm gonna do my first task in the next episode, guys. So as always, guys, if you did like this game or any other game you see on my channel, give it a like, a comment, give it a like, a subscribe and a comment. This is Tech Gaming Lane. Bye for now, guys. Bye for now. I'll see you in the next one. Sorry, it was just a tutorial to start off with the tutorial today. But in the next one, I'm going to try and do some off camera to see whether I like it or not. And to see whether you guys like it. You might not like it. But this is going to be out soon to see whether you guys like it. It's only going to be a one-off thing to see whether you guys like it. So if you do like it, let me know in the comments below. And I'll do another episode if you want to see another episode. If you don't, also let me know what you don't like about it. So, as always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. This has been Tech Gaming Lane. Bye for now, guys. Bye for now.